Okay, so this is going to be a video on next week's lab and your quiz, and then a little bit about your midterm and some announcements. So next week what you guys are going to be doing is the Stickleback virtual lab. The first thing that you should do is to print out your handout. You're then going to go on to this website, answer these questions. Go on to your next website, answer the following questions, and then complete tutorial 1 and 2. So I'm going to quickly show you on my computer what that looks like. So you will be going onto this website here, so the Virtual Sticklebag Evolution Lab. Click here to enter the lab, and I'm going to start over so you guys can see what it looks like. Yes, I'm sure. Alright, so we're going to click on here and start tutorial 1. So you guys are going to want to complete tutorial 1 and tutorial 2. In order to complete those questions on complete, reduced, and absent pelvis, it's going to be on your right hand side, how to score the fish. And then so you're going to click on this to finish tutorial 1, and then click on here to do tutorial 2, and this will show you how to score the pelvis in fossil fish. Alright, so once you have completed that, we will then go through this again. This talks a little bit about experiment 1, which we will do next week, and we will be doing that with these cards. So we have all of these cards here, and you are going to score them. You're going to graph your data, so you will need your computer, and then you're going to analyze your data. We're going to do some chi-square. Here's a printout of how to score those fish. Okay, so we'll bring that to lab with you. And a little bit about chi-square, which you guys should remember from last year. This is where you're going to put in your data, and then there is a self-quiz for experiment 1. And more quiz. Okay, we're also going to be completing experiment 2. However, experiment 2 will be on your computer. So after you have to make sure that you've completed tutorial 1, tutorial 2 in order to be able to do experiment 2. And we'll be doing that in lab. Alright. Coming back over here, let's take a look at your syllabus. We are in week 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Evolution. Next week is your exam, and then the following week is spring break, no labs. And then after that, we have continuation of evolution with Hardy Weinberg and your bacterial presentations. So this week, we will talk about the stickleback fish, we will talk about your midterm exam, and you will pick your bacteria project this week. So you will pair up with someone that you work well with, and you will pick a bacteria, and I will then give you some further instructions. Okay. As far as your quiz next week, so your quiz will be on protein synthesis, so understand transcription, translation. Understand the PowerPoint is up on Brightspace, so please go back over that. We will also I want you also to understand PIDX1 gene, so those models. And if you have any questions about the quiz or about your getting onto the actual pre-lab, I know there was a couple people that weren't able to log in. Just let me know and I can send you a better link. If not, that's all the announcements for today. Enjoy the snow. Monday, if by chance we do not have lab, look out for an email from me.